What new things there are that can do something else. Yeah. Well, if you think the
Here's the orange julep. Everything in this layout is Montreal based.
Yeah, she is very, very cool. Yeah, you guys see her. She is like a young girl. And yeah, I'm sorry, Tony. If you want to take it now, it's almost in the day. It's up to you, right? I had a person tell me that, yeah, it's up to you.
And there's a bus. There's a fishbowl bus. Of this Great Lakes, condensed Great Lakes ship in the Lachine Canal.
Et quand vous rentrez dans la chambre de train,
Look at that. Really cool. This is at the Art Hop at Alex Trainman's house. The 25th of May 2025. This crane is reminiscent, again, of the Lachine Canal crane. It's really cool too. This is like the cross on Montreal, all lit up. Nice little diorama. And this is neat too. This is like a little bit of a scene, little diorama. I think it's N scale as well.
Il fait comme les films et les chambres, avec les meubles et les choses comme ça. Moi, je suis pas capable de faire ça. Mais ça existe, hein? Il y a des fous dans l'échelle M. C'est créer les chambres avec les meubles et c'est comme besoin de travailler avec un microscope. C'est pas comme moi ça. Et comme par exemple, si... Ouais. Mais quand même, j'en ai les ratons lavage, puis la maquette, je vous garde pour fouiller. Et aussi une dingue sauvage. Il y a une dingue sauvage, vous avez vu la dingue sauvage? Ouais. Quoi d'autre? Il y a les moutons. Il y a les moutons. And I put the Sphinx, you know, like the Oscars and all that kind of stuff. Because it's the Art Deco. This piece, you know, it's really sad that how it has gone with the shit. No, I'm really, really sad. Right.
But the upstairs one was the original balcony.
Right.
I used to bring people behind to the stage area and show them the original paintings and stuff.
Yeah, it's there.
Ceiling and
Yeah,
stuff.
cool. Yeah, because there was a view on the window like we had because I did see photos of the interior and it was like incredible. Yeah, so je suis complètement pris par le passe-temps. J'ai dit, oh, besoin de bien passer le temps avec moi. Et je montais avec elle au lac de Sicily, Papillon-Labelle. En fait, on avait terminé la forêt. On arrivait au lac. Et oh, regarde les roches. C'est ça là. Can I just get in here? Oh, yeah. Don't put anything out. C'est ça. Ah, pour la meuf. Voir comment j'enlève les pièces et je colle ensemble. J'ai mis une, deux, trois par-dessus, puis je pièce de métal et j'écris des lignes pour les roches, tu comprends comme ça. Je fais ça très brut, mais c'est donne une idée de la technique. Et qu'est-ce que vous faites? Vous peignez sur les guidards. Et après, je vais prendre comme une solution d'eau noire, gris. Et j'ai mis ça par-dessus et c'est écrit les lignes.
This is his control system. Looks like it's all not DCC, that's for sure, standard.
Bonjour Hi. Oh yeah, oh, it's covered. Est-ce que c'est l'exposition au centre de récréation de l'Orage? Non, c'était Montagano. Ah, Montagano, l'année passée, l'année d'avant. Une grosse exposition. En fait, la fête familiale, donc on est Montréal, c'est une chose en India. Et puis, parce qu'à l'époque, il y a les années 60, 70, elle est pas
See, this is the metro station. Looks just like Villa Maria. So I should say that this is all N scale, and it's mostly Kato products, and a lot of this has been very much custom built by Trainman himself. A lot of these kits are commercial kitbashes, and some he's built himself. Really nicely done.
Why do I feel like the train derailed or something?
Okay, so it was rather crowded downstairs. There were a lot of people there. So I'm going to do the extroduction here. Every year, NDG does that art hop. And this is the second year that I've actually come to Alex Trainman's place to have a look at his layout. The layout is great. And he put in that new metro, which is the Villa Maria metro station. He did that in a year too, which is amazing. Because, you know, he was talking about it last year. We had a little discussion about it, and he actually did it, and he did a great job with it. And that little layout is awesome. It's just got a lot of detail, a lot of awesome things going on in there, and the lighting is amazing. And the landmarks just make it really fun. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.